Good evening. It's Monday, August 5th, 2019, and I'm in Villa Ayung, a little village, a little neighborhood in Bali, Indonesia, halfway between the main city of Denpasar in the south of the island, halfway between Denpasar and the kind of popular destination of Ubud, north of there. We're about 15 kilometers north of Denpasar. And it's dusk, and the smoke behind me is the pile of, I'm going to grab one, pile of Balinese offering boxes. Every day the Balinese, the women, make these little square boxes out of leaves, and they usually make several. In fact, I've spoken with one, and she makes 50 of these a day. Every morning she gets up at 5 o'clock, and they're stapled. They staple them together. Anyway, inside the little box are offerings, and they're just simply items of value, such as a flower, food, piece of candy. It's just little, anything of beauty or anything that has a little value, even cigarettes. So they pray here, the Balinese. Their religion is called Hindu Dharma, and they pray 3 times a day, and they call it ceremony. They say, I'm going to go do ceremony, and they place these boxes in sacred locations, their little temple areas on their property or in the neighborhood temple, and they pray, and they burn incense, and they pray to God. So it's a very central part of their daily lives, and it's very beautiful to watch. So I wanted to share that. Thank you.